Welcome or welcome back to Tracy Creates Dishes. This is my recipe for potato top pies. It's a beef filling with golden mashed potato on top. This is what you need for the filling. Start by peeling and dicing one medium onion. Add a small amount of oil to a frying pan on medium heat. Add diced onion to the pan and cook for 30 seconds. Add beef mince or ground beef, depending where you're from in the world. Ground down the beef and incorporate the diced onion. While beef is cooking, add 5 grams of garlic, 2 teaspoons of beef stock powder. Stir in the ingredients. Add salt and pepper. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 3 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Stir in the sauces. Add 2/3 of a cup of water. Stir the water in, then let it simmer to reduce the liquid. Stir occasionally. The beef filling is ready. Place in a bowl and set aside. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a template of the size pie tins I'm using. I use this to cut out the store-bought shortcrust pastry to line the pie tins. Using a paper towel, rub the butter around the tins to grease. Gently press short crust pastry into each tin. Using a fork, score the pastry as it helps the pastry cook. Half fill the pastry with the beef filling. Place each pie on a baking tray. Bake in the oven for 5 minutes. Place mashed potato in the piping bag I've used a star nozzle. Recipe for mashed potato is in the description box below. Pipe mashed potato on the top of the pies. Place the pies in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.